Be the change you want to see in the world, and get up, get out, get involved, and give back with Service Learning. Service Learning connects the classroom with the community while providing you with a valuable opportunity to get hands-on and often marketable job experience. Examples of Service Learning projects include preserving native plants, teaching children to read, and building ramps to make buildings wheelchair accessible. The college offers several ways to get involved. First, classes where instructors incorporate service learning into their curriculum. Second, the Service Leadership Club. And third, alternative breaks where you can travel to other states to serve in leadership positions with camps for children.
It's hands-on.
It's practical. It ties in with real life.
Lecture comes alive in the classroom with service learning. For example, in a science class, you might participate in an environmental cleanup day. And seeing how pollution affects the local area can provide you with a new perspective on the facts and figures you were reading about and discussing in class. In an English class incorporating service learning, you might be asked to write a brochure for a local historic reenactment. Unlike a made-up course assignment, in this case, the public will rely on you and what you wrote when looking for information. Experience. Employers want it, but it's hard to get when you don't have any to get hired in the first place. Service learning projects connect you with the community and provide you with an opportunity to learn the skills that employers want. Time management, planning, communication, teamwork, and professionalism. The Service Leadership Club meets at the college throughout the year, and each month the club offers a seminar focusing on a topic related to leadership in the community. For example, managing meetings and dealing with conflict. Then during the year, the club members work on a variety of projects, some small and some large, to practice those skills.
I'm going into system information and management, so I'm going to be in a leadership skill a lot, and I need to improve that.
Club was mentioned in my classroom, and I thought that it would be a great idea to gain leadership experience and real-world experience while I'm in college.
I have been able to be involved in several service learning projects here at the college, both as an administrator and as a teaching faculty here. Some of the projects I've been really proud of working with are larger projects that I've worked with our groups, teams, and leadership class here on campus. They come together and they actually make a project happen, and it's a fairly large scale event project. This year, our groups, teams, and leadership class is working together to put together a global giving market. And the global giving market will be an alternatives gifts, which are gifts that come from other countries, and they're all from countries that have fair trade agreements. And the students will actually sell those items on campus. The monies will go back to those other countries, and any profit made will be actually donated to a nonprofit group locally. In that class, they're learning not only the groups and the teams and the leadership aspect of being in the class, but they're also learning a lot about both their local and a national organization that works with fair trade.
Twice a year, you will have a chance to hit the road and experience service learning from a different place. During winter break, you can sign up to go to Florida and volunteer at Camp Boggy Creek, a year-round camp for seriously ill children. There you will have the opportunity to serve as an activity pal to a camper while boating, fishing, and swimming, working in the wood shop, creating arts and crafts, and practicing archery. After a long and fulfilling day with your camper, you will finally go to sleep satisfied that you've had a great day and that you've made a difference in the life of an ill child and his or her family. In the spring, pack your bags and get ready to head to Camp Campbell in Northern California's Redwood Forest. There you will work with 5th and 6th grade students as they learn about science. For many students, it is their first trip out of the city and their first time away from home overnight. Although you are there to serve as a role model and to make their adventure at camp a positive memory that will last a lifetime, you might just find that you are the one most grateful for the experience.
My name is Tamala Lucas, and I went to the YMCA Camp Campbell in Boulder Creek, California last spring break. Out in Boulder Creek, we helped a whole group of kids from 4 different elementary schools, and we helped them become better students and attend science camp. It is really fun, you're a definite role model, and you also gain experience from doing this. Not only was I with CSM students. I was with Harford County students from other schools in California and Colorado. So I really got to meet a lot of people, and they were really fun to work with.
Get real-world work experience, meet new people, and give back to the community with Service Learning.